Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to clean and store dentures. Dentures are artificial teeth. As you can see in the picture, this is the whole set, the, the upper one and the lower one, and this looks like the upper and this looks like the lower. And this one is a partial one. Seems like the client has some teeth here, so it doesn't need denture, but this part you need denture. There are different shapes for denture. It depends how it fits in a client's mouth. For the HCA skill test, the client is sitting at a table or lying in bed while this care is provided. So depending on each scenario, you do accordingly. If the client is sitting at the table, you ask the client to go to the bathroom with you and take the denture out and clean it and do a mouth care when you finish. Or if the person is lying in bed, you can go to the bedroom where the person laying and take the denture, bring it to the bathroom, you clean it, and you take it back to the client and put it where the client can reach it, and you do a mouth care. To successfully demonstrate this skill, you need to follow the swipe method. S is assemble all supplies, assemble appropriate equipment for the task that's needed, and W is to wash your hands whenever it's needed, usually for this skill at the beginning and at the end. I is identify. You need to identify yourself. Hi, my name is so and so. P is provide privacy. You need to provide privacy. E is explains the procedure. You have to tell the client what you're doing. S is scans the area for safety. So this includes usually anything that is safety issue with the client. And as an end, you need to give appropriate materials for the client. It can be a call light or a cell phone on or anything like that. So before we start the skill, these are the supplies that we need. Of course, we need the denture, and this is a denture toothbrush. We need to use the denture toothbrush all the time when you are cleaning the denture because it's kind of different. It has two parts. This can go on the top part and on the lower part. Any denture or any grooves that the denture has, it can able to go there and able to brush it. So regular toothbrush cannot perform those things. And you have to use the denture toothpaste because you're not supposed to use a regular toothpaste on a denture because the regular toothpaste is not going to clean it very well. What's recommended is to use the denture toothpaste for it. And this is a hand sanitizer, or you can wash your hand. And you need a paper towel or towels. You usually put it under the sink to prevent any accidental dropping of the denture or anything. So if you put a lining, it can prevent you. And you need gloves on because you are handling denture. So remember, you have to choose the right size of your denture. The right size of your hand, small, large, extra large, depending your hand size. And this is just a reminder for me and for you guys. We need to do this skill in the bathroom. So this is a sink and this is garbage. Especially we need the garbage can after we clean, after we get done. We need to sanitize the area that we worked on and put it in the garbage. Of course, after you're done with the glove, you need to put it in the garbage just to have it handy. Now we are going to start the skill. So first, you already introduced yourself. Hi, my name is so-and-so. I'm here to help you clean the denture. Is that okay with you? We're assuming the client says okay, and you bring the client to the bathroom. Then you wash your hand and you put gloves on. And the next, this is the sink. So we have to put a towel on the sink. You have to use any technique to reduce the risk of denture breakage if dropped during cleaning. Dentures are very expensive. So when you are cleaning dentures, it can be brushing dentures. It's better to do it directly over sink, lined with washcloths or paper towel with a water inside it. Put a towel and put 2/3 of water, a little bit, and then you can put the dentures over it if in case you dropped it, and then prevent contamination of denture throughout the procedure. Now you have to obtain the denture from client. In here, the client is giving you the denture. If the client is unable to remove them, gently remove dentures from client mouth. Take the lower denture out first, and then the upper denture next. And then we rinse it in a cool running water before brushing. We have to rinse it first. Then we have to apply toothpaste or denture cleansing to the denture. This is the denture paste and this is a cleansing agent. And then you brush it. You go to all the grooves in it by using the denture toothbrush. Clean all parts of it, and then you rinse it. Rinse all surface of denture under cool running water. Now the denture is clean, and before you put it back in a container, make sure to rinse denture cup before putting denture in it. This is the denture cup, so this person is cleaning the denture. Now the denture cup is clean. Now you can put the denture inside it, and if it is like overnight, you can put a denture tablets and you close it, or anytime you can put the denture tablets so it can stay clean for the client. Now it's clean. If the client is keeping this in a bathroom, you can put it where the person keeps it, or if the client is keeping it in their bedroom, you can take it to their bedroom and show them where you put it. And usually after you clean dentures, you do a mouth care by tooth titty, so you can put some water and dip it and wash the client mouth with it. Now you're done, so you need to dispose of sink liners or other soiled items, and you put it in a garbage. And any surface that's contaminated, you need to clean it and put it in a garbage. Remove and dispose of your gloves and wash your hands. Now you're done. Okay, these are the references that I used. Thank you very much. We'll see you the next video.